Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing about MathSpark working model. So in this MathSpark, we have depicted various mathematics project here. If you can see, right? So we have depicted for every 3D elements like cuboid, cube, we have defined the curved surface area, total surface area, plus volumes formula also we have given here. So this is by seeing this 3D shapes, we can easily find out its CSA, TSA and volume formulas. Similarly, for cube as well, we defined the curved surface area of our cube, total surface area for cube as well as volume. We have depicted the factor tree here. Here, the 24 factor we wanted to find out, we can do it by using factor tree. Here, it is divided further into 4 into 6, again 4 divided into 2 into 2, again 6 is divided into 2 by 3 here. If we multiply everything, it goes up to 24. That is the factor tree formula. If you can see, right? So here factor tree 24 is equal to 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 3. That is where we have represented the factor tree here. So similarly, we have depicted the parts of circle element here. Here, by seeing this, we can easily learn parts of circle. Here we have kept the secant, center, radius, sector, diameter, circumference, chord, segment, and tangent and arc. By seeing this, we can learn all about parts of circle in this Spark. And the next item we have kept here is probability working model. Here we are trying to depict the different probabilities. We can depict this element as a game here. For every rotation, if you can see, right, every rotation we get one number, which is 5 here. So we are going to play a game here. So we kept the 5 number here. Similarly, if we rotate one more time, so we got 6 here. So this is how the game we can play with this probability working model. So we also depicted the parallel lines and its traversals. If you can see, right, these are the parallel lines, and that is cut by a line here which forms the different various angles. So this and this is proportionate to this angle, and this is proportionate to this angle, and this is proportionate to this angle, and this is proportionate to this angle that we have depicted here. We listed all these different mapping here. For sphere, we defined the curved surface area formula and total surface area formula and volume formula we have defined here. Similarly, for cone 3D object, we have defined the curved surface area, total surface area and volumes formula also we have defined here. In the center of the park, we have defined the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that a square plus b square is equal to c square. If you same formula we are trying to depict in this park. If you can see, right, there are 3 squares we have kept here. This square plus this square is equal to this square. That is what the Pythagoras theorem talks about, where we have a right angle triangle. If this is a right angle triangle. Here hypotenuse is equal to this and this. That is what it is depicted here. This is the formula we are trying to depict in this park. So this is all about MathSpark working model. We try to depict the various maths item so that you can learn all these concepts of mathematics in a single place, so that you can easily learn all these mathematical modules in a simple and fun way. I hope you guys got a clear idea about what is all about MathSpark. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button. If you guys are not subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.